What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Want to give you a little small update on my little design of these steps that I'm doing. So as you see, I use the top of my toolbox as my jig. So I just welded these little pieces here to support my jig, because this is going to be the steps part. So pretty much got it set up the way it need to be. As you see, I got everything laid out to get this done. And I'll tell you one thing, it takes a little time in laying your stuff out when you building something or you trying to design something that you never did before. So don't get discouraged and be like, man, what I'm gonna do. So make sure sometime, get some spare parts, or get some strap pieces, you know what I mean, some drops or something from the Savage Yard or the steel place, and they'll normally sell them to you about £1 or pretty cheap. And work on your design, work on your pattern, man. Take your time and figure it out, because once you get it, you own it. So keep that in mind. Hog on.